how to clear Instagram cache. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can clear your Instagram cache. Alright, whenever your Instagram account has um a large number of cache, it can affect the way it is run. And so to clear the cache, you'd have to navigate to your phone settings by going to your applications and then click on settings. And then once you're on your settings page, the next step is to locate where your applications are. For my own phone, I'll click on app management and then app lists and click on the search box and then just type out the name of the application, which in this case is Instagram, and click on the search icon. And once the application is displayed, select it. Then on the application details page, select storage and cache. Then you can see the amount of megabytes the cache is containing. Then scroll down to the bottom part of the screen where you can see clear storage, clear cache. So select clear cache, and then the cache will be cleared just like that. And every cache data associated with your Instagram application would be cleared. So this is how you can clear Instagram cache. Go ahead and try it out today so that your Instagram account can run smoothly and effectively. Thank you for watching and have a good day.